everybody, it's Vicki Kenner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style, and today I'm super excited to show you a warmer that I've been wanting, but I had been buying all the holiday warmers, but now that the holidays are over, now I can buy like regular decor. Now, this thing is so pretty. I don't think that it got the hype that it deserved. I saw pictures of it and I was like, oh, I need it, okay? And so I'm super excited for this one. You guys, it's called Hope Blooms. Hope Blooms, and it's super duper pretty. So I'm excited to share this with you. Alrighty, I think this is gonna go in my living room. I think that's where I'm gonna be putting it. All right, so let's go ahead and start taking everything out. I'm so excited. I have not seen this one in person, so I'm very, very excited. All right. Oh, that's different. Okay. So you get a glass dish, but look at that. Look at that pretty color, right? It's like a heather blue. I love it. I love it. That's gorgeous. I want to show you a picture that I bought at Hobby Lobby. I went to Hobby Lobby today, you guys. Go check out my IGTV on Insta to see all the cool stuff I got. But let me show you. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe that this didn't get the hype that it totally deserves. Oh, there's that. Okay, so I have this. You guys, let me just put this stuff out of my way. Get out of my way. Because I want to show this to you because it's spectacular. It's really pretty. And when you see the picture that I bought for it, you're going to be like, yes, girl, that's perfect. Okay. So let me go ahead and plug it in and then I will start showing you everything. Okay. So let me put this in because then I want to really show it to you guys. It's pretty gorgeous. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, so this is stunning. Hope Blooms. Look at that. Look at that. You guys, this one is spectacular. It is so pretty. If you love, I think farmhouse, you guys, for farmhouse, that's what I like. And the picture that I bought from Hobby Lobby is gonna kind of go perfect with it. You guys want to see this thing on? Okay, let's go. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, wow. That's pretty. That's really pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm like, wow. Okay, so let me show you the picture that I bought to go next to it. I got it on sale. It was half off. So, you guys, how pretty is that? Get out of town. Seriously? Oh my gosh. I cannot wait. What else did I buy? Oh, this would look pretty with it too. I went a little crazy. Okay. I mean, come on, you guys. This stuff is so pretty. Anyways, so I definitely wanted to show this to you. And if you get it in the month of January, you get 10% off because that is the final month of our fall winter catalog. So you'll get it 10% off. Don't walk, run to my website ASAP, or if you're a Scentsy consultant, get to your workstation or your website, your PWS immediately and grab one. So pretty. And look, I have bought this, like, oh my gosh, I'm like styling in my head right now. Anyways, I hope you love Hope Blooms. I think it's gorgeous, gorgeous. And grab it ASAP, you guys. 10% off. Anyway, I can't stop looking at it. It's prettier than, I knew it was going to be pretty, but like, I'm so in love. I'm so in love. Anyway, I hope you're having a great day and I will talk to you later. Bye.